welcome back to the channel. And currently an Econ Gritter 18 ton chassis, holds about 9 ton-ish, 10 ton, and then all here is the control box. Hopefully you can see what the hand is. Basically all the lit up functions. So that controls all my plough, and that controls all the back gubbins. And then this screen at the top here, that
in
is
170 meters. Turn right
that screen at the top here.
Salt.
That is my sat nav. Only been on this road once, so and that was about 2-3 years ago. So yeah, that's going to come into a great aid. And then this screen here does all the gubbins for my grain. And then this is the camera, so you can see how much salt's still got in. And then it does the 360s as well. So obviously here we can control all the lights, spreader lights, auxiliary lights, and the big boom lights. It's quite good in snow, thick areas, making yourself well seen. And then you got the beacons, rear lights, and then the ploughs. And then this little stick controls my plough, left, right. Put it in there. Yep. And then yes, we can control that. It does a spread as well. So I'm just going to push this salt snow out of the way. Salt. It's not a good start, is it? And then obviously it's all calibrated and set, so that we can slide it across and we can move it. Yeah, probably we're going to see.
Turn left.
I'll do a better. I'll do some more videos on the plough. So this Spargo 2, I think, from Econ. So this one here does my pattern. So what sort of pattern I want to be sending it. Far right, far left behind my machine. So half your machine and spread out. So I'll be back over there. We do need some more salt in a minute. So we'll have to go get loaded. And then this one does my width. So if I'm on a big carriageway, I can flirt it all the way over the side. So that's on 20 grams.
Stopped.
And that's 12 meters.
Salting started.
Spread. That's going to send it out too. So really we want it standard carriageway width, 3 meters. So we want it 6 to fling it both ways in the carriageway, don't we? Yeah, and it's all. I've got a button in here, blast, so if anyone gets stuck, or we've got a load of ice or a load of snow, you can tap that button and that'll send, I think it's about 100 grams. That'll come and blast really well. Really well the air. If we turn that light off, give us a bit more visibility. So yeah, obviously if you're going down the lane now, we want to be ploughing into here, sending all the drift, the snow, into the carriageway edge, picked up by the gullies. And then if we're on the opposite side of the same roundabouts, obviously we've got to go round, do the centres, and then take them off as well, and then make sure we're not blocking any entries, not pushing a load of salt up there that people might slip on. Always to be fair on. So yeah, that's the whole kit and caboodle. And then the sat nav up here, that does all via GPS, so that will grit for me. Just tap this button up on here, GPS button, and that'll let me just concentrate on driving. And then the belts, they'll kick in, kick it off, and you know they'll grit all for me. So luxury technology. It is a good system. To be fair, the Econ system. Speed up, so pain on the backside. So if you're coming up to a big junction or a different dual carriageway, obviously you want to knock the spread up, and you can move it all that way as well. Just got to make sure we're going the right way here. So yeah, and then this is a beauty little camera. Instead of having to get out and see how much grit you've got left, it allows you to see from the luxury of your cab.
Into 135 meters.
They've got nice heated seats on here as well, so yeah, we've got to go around these roundabouts a few times now, so bear with me while we do the loop. I have done these when it was really snowing quite bad. knock the width down. We're just going to pick the plough up because we did these before. This is just making sure we get a good spread pattern on these.
After leaving roundabout left onto Moorland Road, travel.
He's telling me. About 10 ton we are at the moment, so we will need a bit of grit in a second, to be fair. I'll wait for what this guy's going to do. Yeah, so I think had about a couple of inches of snow over the last 3 or 4 hours, so a pretty good deluge, and yeah, obviously that's where the team did beforehand. Did 3 runs beforehand, and then this is my second one. Came on at 11 o'clock, so it's nearly 4 o'clock now. So hopefully when everyone's coming out for the rush hour, they'll manage to fly to work with no problems, and yeah, go enjoy their day. Best when it's in snowfall conditions, but as it's quiet, we'll take a happy here. Pretty manoeuvrable, these critters are. Imagine if it's stalled, then that would be a good start on it. I think it's trying to snow again. Hopefully not, because I thought we might have been in for a maybe we're coming off the trees. Thought we might have been in for a